wish I was above the center of attention, but I'm not. I wish I didn't have to give into the pressure.
Welcome back, nail queens. I am super excited for today's video. Not only is it a mani video, but it's also a giveaway. Yes, so I just reached 9,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. So I wanted to do something a little bit special and give away this American Woman collection from Shameless Nails. But before I get into the giveaway, I'm gonna just talk about my mani, right? So stay tuned for the giveaway stuff. Selena is gorgeous. I love this color, so I'm definitely using that color today. But so I already applied my peel base over my builder gel. I got paint all over my fingers, all that stuff. Yeah, I'm about to get started on this mani, and then we'll talk about the giveaway later on. So some good things come to those who wait, right? Anyways, so all the products here, do you guys like it when I'm this zoomed out, or do you prefer me to be more zoomed in? I'm not really sure. Anyways, I'll zoom in later. But these products are all from Shameless Nails. The two solid colors, or is it a solid and a shimmer, are from their May release, and then Selena is from their June release, which is called American Woman. And they also included two other colors, the Birthday Beauties, which are like an orangish red for Cancer, the crab, and July. So anyways, so I'm just going to do my mani, go through my mani as usual, and then when I'm ready to put the giveaway requirements, that'll just pop up on the screen. Don't worry, I'll pop in and I'll let you know that that's the entry to the giveaway, but definitely good things come to those who wait.
I'm posting pictures, trying to be someone I'm not. It feels just like I'm lying to you. I fake it, stage it, trying to live some perfect life. I know I'm wasting time, 'cause I just wanna call my friends and see what they're doing tonight. It doesn't have to.
So while I'm doing my manicure and you're watching me do my manicure, I do want to talk about this collection, the American Women collection. This collection came with 7 colors: Simone, Reese, Laverne, Selena, Aretha, Chloe, and Amelia. Aretha is exclusive to those who were ordering during the pre-order period, so if you order the collection now, you will not be getting Aretha. However, the giveaway winner will be getting it because I made sure to order this collection during the pre-order period. And then, so to talk more about it, so Simone is named after the Olympic gymnast Simone Biles. Reese is named after the actress Reese Witherspoon. Laverne is named after the groundbreaking trans actress and advocate Laverne Cox. Selena is after the iconic singer Selena. Aretha is named after Aretha Franklin, the Queen of Motown. Chloe is named after the champion snowboarder Chloe Kim, and Amelia is named after Amelia Earhart, the first woman to fly. So now that we briefly covered the 7 shades of the 7 iconic women who are being featured in this collection, I'm going to actually start with the giveaway. So here you're going to see a question pop up, and all you have to do is answer how you feel honestly in the comments below. There's no right or wrong answer. Just let me know in the comments below your answer to this question, and I will randomly pick one winner when the giveaway ends. So of course I'm going to answer my own question that I asked you guys. What women in history do I look up to? So I have always been into art, which is probably how I ended up getting into nails, because I feel like it's a form of expression through art. It's just a different canvas. So the woman in history who I admire and look up to is Frida. So if you've ever seen any of her artwork or heard about her, she is obviously known for one of her most distinguishing features. Well, I think it's 2, but one is her eyebrows, and the other one, I believe, it's just like her hair and the way she wears flowers in her hair. She's a very recognizable and unique woman, absolutely stunning, but her artwork is just as beautiful. So if you've ever seen some of her paintings, they're very, like, it's a mix between like reality and fantasy, I feel like. So whenever I see her artwork, I really get in my feels about it. I don't know how to explain it. I love her. I love her artwork. It's very, very different. It's unique, and she definitely stands out as an artist in history. And I know that this collection is about women in history, or basically American women. So I know that technically Frida doesn't fall into this category, and neither does this next artist that I'm going to mention. His name is Gustavo Rimada. He is based in California, and obviously he's male, so he doesn't go into the women collection, but his artwork is heavily inspired, and he features Frida in a lot of his artwork. So if you're someone who loves shopping from small artists, or you like Frida just as much as I do, I definitely recommend checking him out. Over on his Instagram, he has amazing pieces. So moving on, what I'm doing right now is the blue kind of stained my skin. It looks like it did, but I'm taking rubbing alcohol to my skin and it actually rubs right off. So I'm not going to have any issues with staining, thank goodness. So that's a good note about this blue dip powder. The pigment like is clinging to my skin, but it comes right off with rubbing alcohol. So I am just going to work on the glitter. Yes, perfect timing. I know I've talked this whole time, and it's perfect timing that finally I can go and apply my favorite color from this entire collection, which is Selena. I love this color. It is so beautiful. So the way I'm actually going to incorporate it in this manicure is I'm going to do a glitter ombre starting from my tip, so my free edge down, and I've got to tell y'all, there is just something so stunning about the way the glitter hits against this dark blue background. It looks so different than the way it does as a full coverage glitter. It just looks so fiery. It looks like it's on fire, and I just love that. So I wonder what colors there are out there like this that would give off that vibe. There's probably a lot, to be honest, but don't be afraid to use your glitters in different ways or against like different backgrounds. My main goal with this manicure was to use contrasting colors to Selena so that Selena had her time to shine on this mani. I did not want to use like corals and oranges and light pinks because I feel like that would have just drowned out Selena. It would have blended too much and would have been just, you wouldn't have focused your eyes directly on the glitter the way that you are now, or the way that I am at the very least. I am mesmerized by this glitter and I absolutely love it. So I'm going to just hush for a moment, finish applying this, clear encapsulate all of my nails, and I will be back.
Guts to start a conversation with someone. Just be who I am, not care so much about first impressions. So, cause I got a feeling that it could be great. Skip all the acts, not playing games. Maybe reveal it, they ring me and tell you my name. Yeah, I got a feeling that it could be great. Skip all the acts, stop playing games. No more concealing, they ring me, I won't be ashamed. Cause I just wanna call my friends and see what they're doing tonight. It doesn't have to be so special. I try to be myself. You do the same and we'll be alright. Cause this pressure's really bringing me down. I was above the center of attention, but I'm not. I wish I didn't have to give into the pressure. Cause I just wanna call my friends and see what they're doing tonight.
So I am finishing up this mani. Everything is clear encapsulated at this point, so all I have to do is activate File, Shape, and Buff. I'll do that off camera and then return with a fully finished manicure. So this is it. This, oh my gosh, y'all, Selena just like blew my mind. It far exceeded my expectations in this mani. I love it. So I'm just now applying cuticle oil to my skin. I usually do this after every single mani. I have a bottle of this in every room of my house. I love cuticle oil. I don't even like remove the proximal nail fold that's on my skin, you know, that people confuse for cuticles. I don't remove that. This cuticle oil like keeps those at bay. I don't have to do any trimming. But look at this mani. Look at Selena, the way that she's just hitting off of the solid, the darker color. I'm just like, it's like a phoenix. She's so beautiful. I love this color. I love this manicure. I love how it turned out, and I hope that you guys did too. So if you did, I'd really appreciate it if you hit that like button, because it lets me know what kind of content you like and it helps out my channel. So thank you guys so much again, and if you're not already subscribed, be sure to hit subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified of when I upload new videos. Bye!
But I'm not. I wish I didn't have to give in to the pressure.